Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm about to show you how to make a facial scrub that you can use to exfoliate your face, hands and dry heels to prevent wrinkles and dark spots. Have you ever thought about the surprising uses and benefits of combining Vaseline and baking soda? Well, you are in for a surprise. Vaseline is known for its moisturizing properties, while baking soda is a versatile household ingredient. When combined together, they create a powerful duo with a variety of uses. One surprising use is creating a DIY face and lip scrub. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I was able to clear my dark spots using these two ingredients. If you want, you can combine it with your favorite oil such as coconut oil, almond oil, olive oil, but in this video, I chose to use vitamin C, okay? Simply mix Vaseline and baking soda together to create a gentle exfoliant that will leave your face and lips feeling very soft and smooth. Another benefit is using this mixture as a deep cleansing face mask. The Vaseline helps to hydrate the skin, whilst the baking soda helps to exfoliate and improve impurities, leaving your skin looking fresh, smooth, and young. Wash it with warm water after you leave it on 1 to 5 minutes, okay? You can also use this combination to soothe dry and cracked heels. Apply the mixture to your feet, put on socks, and leave overnight for soft heels by morning.
Keep stirring until smooth. Apply on dry face. Looking in the mirror. Scrub in circular motion for 1 to 3 minutes. Avoid your eyes, please. Left it on for 3 mins. You can use it for your dark knuckles too. After 3 minutes, freshly washed face with warm water. Moisturize with any face oil.
Subscribe, like, comment, and share.